ZW3D CAM interface. Run ZW3D 2015 on the Windows 7 system. This is the CAD modeling interface. Click this button to quickly go into the CAM module. On top is the menu bar. In the configuration dialog, you can check some basic parameters and default settings such as Tool Library and Output folder. This is the ribbon toolbar. All machining operations are available here, including drilling, 2x milling, 3x milling, 5x milling, turning, toolpath editor, acquire tools. At the bottom is the status bar showing prompt information. On the left is the CAM manager. All needed machining information is listed here, including geometry, frames, machining operations. Double-click parameters to pop up the dialog, then edit any related parameters. Machine and output information also are listed here. Turn on or off the manager with this button. Click this icon to turn on or off the output dialog. This CAM manager display can be set with this dialog. Use the exit icon to quickly exit to the CAD environment. Click CAM Plan, go into CAM again. This is the Document Aware toolbar. Provides filter, different display methods, different views, and so on. So this was our first look at ZW3D CAM.